lovely day here at Fun Road Farm, and we are so lucky. Our friend Jesse is on his way over with his tractor right now to help us move a giant pile of dirt that is preventing us from finishing the fence for Sir Oliver. So we're going to do that this morning first before we get on to our other projects. The remnants of the snag pile are in the way of our fence. They're going to go over here, out of the way.
Oh, it's not as big as I thought it was.
There it is.
Nice sand down there. That's all there is here. It's just sand and gravel. Rain's really good. Yeah, it's not full of water right now. It's never full of water. It's crazy. Ever. I've never seen a puddle in the bottom of it.
It just gets wet.
Yeah, there's never a puddle.
Yeah, but it goes up what it was. What, gravel?
Sand.
Sand and gravel.
Jeep upgrade day again, and we are putting the tire carrier that we painted, well, Raptor line in our last video, in our last Jeep video, on the back of the Jeep, and then we can also put the bumper on. So here it sits, ready to go on. We gotta take apart like all this stuff in here, and then we can have a bumper again. So we removed the tire, obviously, and the plastic panel on the tailgate. Next, we're supposed to remove the taillight. Taillight removed. We recommend the little blue plastic pry bar panel removery things. And then you still break it.
This is a color painted sticker that covers up the hole in the body where you access this hinge mounting point, because we are going to replace that hinge mounting point with the Moto-Built hinge mount.
Heat gun. Came off. Sticker. Now we're going to remove all the stuff off the tailgate. Don't forget to take the camera off. It stays with the Jeep. So you gotta put the bushings in. So there's the camera mount. Finally in the van doing stuff. We got some new curtain rods so we can finish out the curtains so people can't peek in here while we're sleeping. You wouldn't know it, but there's a curtain rod behind that coat rack. It looks just like this one, hidden back there behind it. There's the other curtain rod on the front window. It'll look much better when it's hidden by curtains on the sides. And then this little flip down cup holder. Starting to think more about the new van build. You may ask, what is this crazy cardboard contraption that you have on your seat? Well, let me tell you. It is a space figure-outer to see if it's easy to get around, which it is, if I make the shoe shelf that sits in the third seat, hooks over the back with a wooden homemade bracket, and then straps around the bottom to the front to hold it in place so it doesn't go flying if we, God forbid, we're ever in a car wreck. And then it has a hinged box for Henry's stuff when we travel, so that the dog doesn't try and eat his toys and his books. He still has his seat. Dog Hill still has his seat. And then over here, oh, I'm gonna have to open the door. So here's where it sits. It's raining, so I was trying to stay inside, but shoes fit in on the end, and then also can go under here with fire extinguisher. So 5 pair of shoes probably. That's plenty. Plus we already have flip-flop holder, which will stay there. So I think that's kind of the final thing for my pet peeves in here. For shoes everywhere after we get in the van at night is super annoying. I made the first curtain for the side windows. It still needs the bar on the bottom. When it has that, it'll hold it back here like this instead of letting it hang out because the windows are sloped. But before I do that, I don't know if you can see it, but I need to remedy that. Side curtain 2. And it's attached at the bottom. And open. I bought 2 fleece sleeping bag liners with the hoods. And on the ad it said you can zip them together. Yeah, it works great. But what they don't tell you is this. One flap was on top, while the other flap was on the bottom. So I cut this flap off and stitched it back on, and then I re-hemmed this. So now it's a double fleece sleeping bag for us to sleep in the rooftop tent and the van and not have air get in under our sheets. And it rolls up into this nice small bundle. Well, we got the rest of the lower part of the fence done. Made our yard so much bigger. And then this, where the temporary fence is where my greenhouse is going to go. And it is going to be so big. It also is going to have a lean-to for storage of yard equipment. And then there'll be that gate there, but it'll be straight with the fence. Thanks for watching. Project's finally done. This video's a little late, so look for another video on Sunday when we adventure out in the Jeep yet again and do some more local restaurant reviews.